Hi everybody, so in this video I'm going to show you how you would have to install the Lightroom presets of My Travel Tracker. So first of all you would need to download the Lightroom app, which you can see right here. And then I would ask you to go into your emails and look for the email that we have sent to you with the order. And there's a download link right here. I'm going to ask you to download it. As you can see, it is now downloading. Downloaded completed. You would have to extract. There you go. And you have to extract the mobile version as well again. Extract. So here you have all your different filters. So I'm gonna ask you to select all of them. Click Share. Go into Lightroom. Sorry, click on Lightroom. Adding all photos to photo album. That's right. So it's now importing. And so you can see in Lightroom the photos are being imported. So they're photos, but they're actually DNG files as well. So the filter is set into the photo. So now we're gonna import all the presets from the photos. So we can click on Amsterdam already. So we click on presets. And then on the three dots at the right top, and then create preset. So we're gonna name this Amsterdam. And then preset group, we will create a new one called My Travel Tracker Presets. Then you can register. There you go. This is your first preset.